KATERRA was founded in 2015 to improve construction through process and product improvements. We have placed our biggest bet yet on mass timber because we believe that prefabrication accelerates construction and because we know that the world needs to start building more sustainably.
Europe has been building with mass timber for a long time. The United States and North America are catching up to those efforts, but this is a new thing for all of us.
We're at an exciting time in the US where this new product is being validated through testing that already exists for other products, even for wood products, but this is new and different.
CLT is this truly amazing material that when you use it in buildings, you are actually helping the planet with this positive impact that it has with respect to the climate and the environment around us.
Our goal is to support the adoption of mass timber as the material of choice across the building industry. We will achieve this through partnering with designers, builders, and owners who share our ambition.
I think that we learned a lot of lessons along the way, what we could tweak, what we could do differently, how we can apply lessons learned from this project into the next one to be even more successful.
The Catalyst project's really unique in the fact that it's the first office building made of cross-laminated timber in Washington State, one of the first in the United States in general, and that's part of the beginning of a movement where we expect to see far more buildings built in mass timber and built in cross-laminated timber in particular. It's also a huge demonstration for the work at KATERRA around what's possible to be done efficiently, intelligently, and beautifully in cross-laminated timber, and so we're really proud of the fact that it brought together a lot of this new innovation in wood and new innovation around how to make buildings of the future in general.
Apart from being an end-to-end company, we do also have the flexibility in bringing on the help that other architects and structural engineer or clients do need in approaching every different project.
We are huge believers that mass timber and CLT are the appropriate materials for institutional projects, for universities, for a whole host of public projects.
We have learned a lot since our founding, and since opening our factory doors in late 2019. We have delivered projects across the continent, from the first commercial office building in the state of Washington to a corporate headquarters in Minnesota, to the largest CLT multifamily project in Denver.
KATERRA has a world-class architecture, structural engineering, manufacturing, sourcing, installation, and logistics, all these together combined under the same roof.
Our teams are pushing the limits on how to use CLT as the building material of choice today. KATERRA's in-house testing has built the case for building with mass timber that allows our owner, designer, and builder clients to support projects through local jurisdictional approvals.
Evidence through testing is the way forward for any new product to get built into the building code and established. So I've been able to witness 1- and 2-hour fire-rated floor assembly tests of our CLT product that are compliant to the building code. We've sent our product off-site to labs for acoustic testing, and we've tested well over 300 specimens to physically break them in half to establish that their design values that we use for engineering are safe.
KATERRA has North America's largest CLT factory, producing a product that achieves the highest levels of performance and aesthetics.
Here at KATERRA, I'm most proud of how quickly we stood up the factory and got to full production in a short period of time.
Within the factory, we have state-of-the-art equipment from front-end sorting line to automated layup of panels to 3 CNC machines to a sanding operation at the end. We have tools that let us make a quality product every time in a standardized way at a high volume so customers know what they're going to get, and we can meet customer expectations and timelines for projects that are even large projects.
This plant's assembled with 3 things: wood, glue, and pride. The pride are in the people. The rest is in the factory.
Our mass timber install teams have delivered projects around the country safely and efficiently, meeting and exceeding clients' schedule, budget, and quality expectations. Our engagement as an installer facilitates a high degree of coordination from design through delivery.
We've learned on Catalyst that it's faster, that it is more complete when we start putting it together, that it doesn't require the same volume of personnel in order to make the structure sound before putting all your envelope and interior elements. And it feels really good to be in this space and to experience a natural product.
KATERRA CLT and mass timber brings all the efficiencies we need to reduce costs and build higher quality buildings in North America, from the design to fabrication potential for digital fabrication, the aesthetics of the product, something new to market and exhibit in the marketplace that people want to live and work in these buildings. And the environmental impact can be reduced in these buildings.
CLT is the future of building because of the net positive environmental impacts and minimizing carbon footprint, and also creating healthy spaces for people to exist in for many generations to come.
It's a win-win-win solution for construction practice in the U.S.
KATERRA's Mass Timber Group is here to support your mass timber projects. Smarter building, better communities for everyone.